Did you know that most UX design fail not because they look bad, it's because they don't solve real user problems. If your design isn't solving the user's pain point, it's failing. In today's video, I'll be breaking down the top reasons on why UX design fail and more importantly, how to make sure yours succeed. The first reason, ignoring user research. It doesn't matter how beautiful your design is if it doesn't meet user needs. Many beginners jump straight into the design phase without even knowing who they are designing it for. The fix? Start every project with user research. Talk to your users, understand their pain points. Even a quick survey can make a world of difference. Number 2. Overcomplicating the interface. Flashy animation, unnecessary feature, and cluttered layout might look cool, but can confuse the users. The fix? Simply focus on functionality and user flow. Every element on that interface should have a purpose. If it doesn't, get rid of it. The third reason we just can't ignore, accessibility. Excluding people with disabilities is not just unethical, it's just a bad design. If your design doesn't meet everyone, it's failing. The fix? Test your designs for accessibility. Use tools like contrast checkers, alt text images, and make sure your design is screen reader friendly. Number 4. Poor feedback and error handling. Users find it very frustrating if they don't know what's happening. Imagine pressing a button and nothing happens. Frustrating, isn't it? The fix? Always give feedback. If an action is successful, give a confirmation. If there's an error, explain what went wrong and more importantly, how they can rectify it. And the final reason, skipping usability testing. Even the best designs can fail if they're not tested with real users. Assumption, always don't match reality. The fix, test early and often. Even informal tests like asking friends to try your prototype can reveal usability issues that you might have missed. Here's a bonus tip. Remember, good UX isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each iteration gets you closer to solving user problems. Here's a challenge. Pick an app that you use daily, question it on what's the one thing you would change to improve its UX. Share it in the comments and I'll pick a few to feature in my next video. Please do follow the design process because every design decision needs to be backed by user input and user research. And if you found this helpful, please do subscribe for more such videos. And until next time, happy designing.